Why two-factor authentication matters.
The two-factor authentication, often called 2FA, adds an extra layer of security to your Dropbox account. Beyond just a password, it requires a second verification step to ensure only you can access your files. Enabling 2FA helps protect your sensitive documents from unauthorized access, even if someone learns your password.
Preparing to enable 2FA on Dropbox.
Before you start, ensure you have access to your Dropbox account and a mobile device. You can use either text messages or an Authenticator app for the second step. If you choose an app, such as Google Authenticator or Authy, download and install it ahead of time to speed up the setup process.
Accessing your Dropbox security settings.
Log in to your Dropbox account on the web. Click your avatar or initials at the top right, then select Settings. Navigate to the Security tab. Here, you'll find the option for two-step verification, also known as two-factor authentication. Click Turn On to begin the setup.
Setting up two-factor authentication.
Dropbox will guide you through the setup process. Choose whether to receive verification codes by text message or use an Authenticator app. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your phone number, scan a QR code, or enter a setup key. Complete the process by entering the verification code Dropbox sends or generates.
Final steps and backup codes.
After enabling two-factor authentication, Dropbox will give you backup codes. Save these codes in a safe place. They allow you to access your account if you lose your device. From now on, you'll need both your password and a verification code each time you sign in, greatly improving your account's security.